Oh, this is so sudden. I was gonna use the bathroom.
P-H-A-S-E, me. I know the right definition is phase me.
Hello. I'm nervous. So many people. Hello, everybody. WOOSUNG, thank you for raiding me. Holy crap. This is intimidating. No, chat, behave. We don't act like this. You didn't hear that.
I'm sipping a soju.
What's up, everybody? My name is JRE. I do reactions on YouTube, but also I'm on Twitch. So y'all got first listen before I did. What the hell? So we're doing a little something, aka we're gonna be checking out the music video while y'all can't even check out the music video. Am I correct? Is that what's because I haven't prepped. I don't know how. I think I'm able to show it to you. I don't know how I could show it to you actually without showing the whole world.
You don't have to do it to me. Just you watch it on your own. I'll know exactly which part you're at.
Okay, bet. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. What's happening right now is basically I'm watching this for I never heard the song too, so I guess you already showed the song, right?
Yes.
But you never showed the music video.
Nope. The music video is coming out tomorrow.
And okay.
Yeah.
All right, bet. Okay, so I'm getting double whammied right now. I'm actually kind of nervous. But in 3,
I'm excited.
Oof. All right,
I
in
love
3
reaction videos, and I get to see it live. I'm so happy.
All right,
let's go.
That's why I'm nervous.
Yeah, I know. Like, say what you want. And,
Okay, bet.
Say what you want.
Bet. All right, in 3, 2, 1. Chat, you tell me if you can hear it, or if you can. What? Okay. What?
It don't faze me. The thought of you out getting wasted.
Oh, we on the creepy vibe. Okay.
Calling somebody else, baby.
Ah, he's shirtless. Okay.
Why you chase me?
Oh, wait, let me pause it. Oh, we going this route, huh? It's getting a little interesting, guys. All right, let's just continue.
And I wouldn't mind if you
Vocal. Okay. This man said ab season.
love anymore. Used to breathe you, see you in my dreams. Now I wake up, you don't cut.
Y'all, they not ready. What? Bro, there is so much. We're already at the climax of the song. Not even the climax. It's just he was going off. But yo, when I tell y'all not ready, because there's so much happening. There's butterflies, hands, and wetness. That sounds wrong, but there's wetness.
Just don't faze me at all.
Hey, when they see it, they're gonna understand. Ooh. Ooh, okay. No, think about your voices. That it always makes me want to say like the actual chorus each time. I don't know. Like, just don't faze me at all. Ooh, that sounds exactly like him.
That is not correct.
Easily.
Feature next time.
Next feature?
Next feature, JRE.
Oh. Wait. Oh. Wait, were you? Wait. Yeah. When? What? Wait. Was that your cocoon face in the beginning? Like you're developing? Ooh. Oh, you look so cool though. Damn. Ooh. Damn. Fire. Let's go, dancers too. Whoa. Hold up. Ooh. Oh, this might be my favorite song, like, from like all the other stuff. I've definitely gonna be on the replay list. Ooh, with a guitar in the back too. Bass, of course. Bro, you looking, listen, I know, look, shirtless, ab season, leather, butterfly, lamppost. I do want to do a second look later, like even off stream, so I could like actually do a full like review detail of this music video, because that was interesting. Listen, I have the pressures. You're watching me react to your video.
That's awesome.
As long as you like it too.
So much for doing this. That's awesome. I'm glad you like the song.
Hey, it's nice. It's nice. I can't wait to check out the album too, since it just released, right?
Yeah, it just released like a couple minutes ago. 44 minutes ago.
Thank you for joining this stream and taking the time out of your day. And thank you for the raid.
Yeah, for sure.
Bye.
Guys. JRE is awesome.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Bye,
And
man.
till next time. Bye. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex toe, that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.